Let me tell you why you need to stay weather ready on Wednesday. Severe storms are expected on Wednesday, raining 70-mile-per-hour winds, golf ball size hail, and strong tornadoes. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be talking about the severe potential on Wednesday. The Storm Prediction Center has put us in the enhanced risk of severe weather, where numerous severe storms are expected, and these storms will probably be supercells. The main two threats will be damaging winds and tornadoes. The tornado threat is a 5% chance, which is relatively high for June. But the most thing I'm concerned about is the wind. Winds could exceed hurricane force winds, and that's the equivalent to EF0 to EF1 tornadoes. And then there's a chance for localized hail. I don't think this is the biggest concern, but we could see large hail up to tennis ball size. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe out there.